How long do Rocket Money transfers take? Intro. Hey everyone, you just got paid. You're excited to treat yourself to a new gadget or a weekend getaway. But before you can splurge, you need to transfer the money from your employer's account to your personal one. You've heard about Rocket Money and its promise of fast, reliable transfers, but how long does it actually take? Building context. Let's dive into the world of Rocket Money transfers and find out exactly what you can expect. We'll explore factors that can influence transfer times, discuss the different types of transfers available, and share real-world experiences from Rocket Money users. Factors affecting transfer times. Several factors can affect how long a Rocket Money transfer takes. Transfer type. Different types of transfers have varying processing times. For instance, domestic transfers between banks within Nigeria are typically faster than international transfers. Bank processing times. Even with Rocket Money's efficient system, the processing time can depend on the speed at which your bank handles the transaction. Some banks may be quicker than others. Verification and security checks. Rocket Money may need to conduct verification or security checks to ensure the safety of your funds. This can slightly extend the transfer time. Weekend and holiday processing. Transfers initiated on weekends or holidays might experience delays due to reduced bank operations. Types of Rocket Money transfers. Rocket Money offers a range of transfer options to suit your needs. Domestic transfers. These are transfers between accounts within Nigeria. They are generally the fastest type of transfer. International transfers. If you need to send money abroad, Rocket Money provides international transfer services. These can take longer due to currency conversions and cross-border regulations. Bill payments. You can also use Rocket Money to pay bills directly from your account. This is a convenient and time-saving feature. Real-world experiences. To get a better understanding of Rocket Money transfer times, let's hear from some users who have shared their experiences. User 1. I recently used Rocket Money to transfer money to my friend's account in the US. It took about 24 hours, which was faster than I expected for an international transfer. User 2. I've been using Rocket Money for domestic transfers, and they've always been completed within a few hours. It's really convenient. User 3. I had a bit of a delay once when I initiated a transfer on a holiday. But other than that, Rocket Money has been consistently fast. Tips for faster transfers. Here are some tips to help you expedite your Rocket Money transfers. Provide accurate information. Ensure that all the details you enter, such as account numbers and beneficiary information, are correct to avoid delays. Verify your identity. Complete any required identity verification steps promptly to prevent unnecessary delays. Choose faster transfer options. If you need the money urgently, consider using a faster transfer method, such as a real-time transfer option if available. Check bank holidays. Be mindful of bank holidays in both the sending and receiving countries, as they can impact processing times. Conclusion. So, how long do Rocket Money transfers actually take? While there can be variations based on factors like transfer type and bank processing times, you can generally expect domestic transfers to be completed within a few hours or even minutes. International transfers may take longer, but Rocket Money often provides faster options compared to traditional methods. With Rocket Money, you can enjoy the convenience of fast, secure, and reliable money transfers. Whether you're sending money to a friend, paying bills, or making a purchase, Rocket Money has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.